So I've come back, but I'm not gonna be continuing to be posting videos on this YouTube channel. And if you ask why, it's just for some personal information of myself. I'd upload some videos, but I won't be that active of another channel that I moved on since this was my parents' account. And man, thank you for all your support. Either if you laughed at me or not, back then I would think that was basically bullying, but you can bully me, I don't care. But at least I made you laugh, at least I made you do whatever. Accomplish your goals. I'll be posting videos in the channel description. And I'll see you there if so, or never. You, you may or not subscribe if you want to play other games as well. I don't just play Fortnite. And yeah, goodbye. I understand what your answer is.